We bought this Jetson Haze bike from Costco. Here are some of the specs on the side. It can drive 15 miles per hour and it can last for 15 miles on one single battery.
Alright, we've got it out of the box. Sam's going to test it out. Put the pedals on. So you can pedal it like a regular bicycle. And then it's got a lock here in case you need to secure it somewhere. So first look. It's surprisingly bigger than we thought, wouldn't you say, Sam?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Alright, let's give it a shot here. There's the pedaling. Sam's about 5'6". Oh, he's e-biking now, and Griffey's gonna chase him here.
Definitely easy to ride.
It's easy to ride. Looks easy. Goes up to 15.5 miles an hour. He's testing out the manual pedal now.
It still works as a normal bike too.
So it's a normal bike right now. Back to e-bike. Well, we're thankful for the wind today because it's about 90 degrees, or excuse me, 100 degrees. A pretty good wind, as you can probably tell in the video. Which here in Oklahoma is like a big outdoor fan. Do you have the seat all the way up? Is the seat all the way up, or did you adjust it? The seat can go, let's see if we can get a close-up of the seat. It's got a pretty good adjustment here. It's got number 1, I think, is what we've got it set up. So Sam's about 5'6", right?
Yeah.
And I'm 5'11", so I'll try it out here in a second and see how it goes. But I saw some feedback other people around 6 foot could do this as well, comfortably.
We're going to turn it on. There's 3 speed modes.
1, 2, and 3. So I'll test those out and see how fast they are. And Sam, you were on 1, weren't you?
I was on 1, then I switched to 3 while I was going. While I was riding, I did notice, I think there's a speed control. Or cruise control. He's on 1 right now.
This is number 2. This is number 3, so 3's the fastest. Got a handbrake on each side that work really good. I don't see it. The video. I don't see a miles per hour. Did you see, Sam? I don't think it has a miles per hour gauge. It's got the battery. I think there's 4 dots. We got three left now after doing that right out of the box. I think 4 dots were on. I think the battery life's about 15 miles. Out of the box, the tires probably needed to be pumped up a little bit for me, but they're fine for Sam and his brother Tate.